Good morning, boys and girls. Today is our last lesson on part whole. We are going to do some problems today about toys. You guys are doing such an amazing job. I am so glad too you earned it, especially after how difficult the change problems were. It's nice to have something that's not as hard. This is our last video lesson over this type of problem, which means that we will be progress monitoring next week. And I'm really excited, but I think you're gonna do a really good job. So let's just get started. It says Jake has 8 blue cars and some red ones. He has 12 cars in all. How many red cars does Jake have? So I heard in the story that there's no action. I heard that Jake has some cars. Part of them are red and part of them are blue. And we are looking for the part that is red. So let's fill this out. Jake has 8 blue cars. Is that all the cars or part of the cars? Well, since he has some red ones too, I'm going to say it's part. Now I know he has some red ones. It didn't tell me how many, but I know it's part because he also has blue cars. And it says he has 12 in all. That is definitely the total. So I know that this is a subtract pattern. Even though cars didn't go away, I'm still looking for the part. So I'm going to do whole minus part, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. There were 4 red cars. All right, let's keep going. You guys are on a roll today. All right. Next story. Mr. Smith, the PE teacher, has 7 basketballs and 4 soccer balls. How many balls are there in PE? So I heard that Mr. Smith has some balls and part of them are basketballs, but part of them are soccer balls. And we want to know how many there are in all. So I know that the 7 basketballs are part because there's also soccer balls, which are part. And we want to know how many in all, which means we are adding. The only time I add is when I'm looking for the whole. So 7, add 4. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 balls in the gym. All right, moving on. Story 3. The checkerboard has red and black checkers. So I want you to see it in your head. Derek counted 8 red checkers and 9 black checkers. How many checkers are on the checkerboard? I heard that there are some red and black checkers, right? So the 8 ones are part and the black checkers are part, and I want to know just how many there are. So the 8 red ones are part because there's black checkers, and the 9 black checkers are part because there's red checkers. And again, I'm looking for the whole. The only time I add is when I'm looking for the whole. I'm going to do 9, 8, or I'm counting up, sorry. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 checkers in all. We're like really whipping through these today. You guys are amazing. Give yourself a big pat on the back. Nicely done. All right, let's do another one. Rebecca is playing with her 4 sand toys at the beach. Her sister is playing with her 9 sand toys. How many sand toys do they have in all? Well, I did not see that anybody got more sand toys or that any sand toys went away, but I did hear that Rebecca has part of the toys and that her sister has part of the toys, and we are looking for how many toys they have in all. So the 4 sand toys that Rebecca had was part because her sister had 9, which is also part. And again, we are looking for the whole. The only time I add is when I'm looking for the whole. Let's use our touch points. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow, guys, you are amazing. We have one more warm-up to do, and then that'll be it for today. Tomorrow's lesson will simply just be solving. Let's do this. Last one together. Let's do it. It says Miranda has 14 toy horses. 7 horses are black and the rest are brown. How many of her horses are brown? I heard that Miranda has some horses. She did not get more horses, but I saw in my head that part of them are brown and part of them are black, and we are looking for the part that is brown. So the 14 horses that she has, that's all she's got. She did not get more horses. And the 7 black horses are part, and the brown horses, which are a mystery, are also part, which means we are subtracting, because the only time I add is when I'm looking for the whole. So I've got whole, subtract, part, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. There are 7 brown horses. Boys and girls, I am so, so, so proud of you. You are amazing. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye.